true. Actually, I was going to ask for those two, let's say, positions that you have. Currently, you have one as expert evaluation of innovation projects in the European Commission, and you're also chair of the organization committee for GOMA Symposium Fuels
Yes,
for the Croatian Society for Fuels and Lubricants. Can
yes.
you tell us a little bit on that? Why? Well, for now, I can imagine that you do this especially to know about the trends and also maybe to network and increase your context. But how did you got to there? Why do you got there? And what do you do in such organizations?
Well, related to being a chair of the Goma Symposium, since from when I started after the studying, I was in oil and gas industry, and this symposium is the key symposium. Well, these days in the region, I would say for oil and gas, and it's a symposium with the probably longest tradition in Europe. We just were planning to organize the 53rd symposium on fuels this year. But just today, unfortunately, we needed to postpone it for next year due to this epidemic situation. But the reason that I'm there is because I'm really I grew up with the people that I work this with, so I feel very much at home doing this, and it is not something where I think I'll be building my career, organizing symposium. It is more like a privilege to be part of this society, and also for me it is a privilege to be like organizer of this type of event and just meet people from all Europe and wider than Europe who are coming every 2 years to our symposiums. So this is like a more privilege to me. And working for as an expert for European Commission, well, it's also a privilege, just being able to really take a notice of what are companies of Europe, small teams doing today in a way to improve our industry, improve products that all of us are using today, and build better businesses. So it's also the privilege to be in touch with those type of projects.
How do you get to the European Commission? Did you apply? Did
Yeah, I
you
just I apply with my references and my experience, and okay, PhD for sure helped that.
check out the full episode at Chemical.Engineering.Guy.com/forward podcast. I'll see you there.